Hello, everybody. A chain of events is going to affect our lives. We're going to be have temptation around us that is going to test us, but we must trust our guardian angels are watching over us. We must claim our independence, trust our own inner voice. There's happiness and news on its way to us. Yes, what we've been asking God is the truth. Spirit does have your back. Um, they say that a meeting with a stranger could be important. A magical encounter will change your life forever. It's going to bring you a new business opportunity and you're going to find peace and harmony. There is spiritual guidance and protection from harm, and you must start seeing the light within yourself and see the light in others. You will be shown the way. Let spirit be your guide. There's peace and harmony coming into your life. A loved one from the past will also re enter your life. You must sing your own song, and that will bring you happiness in all areas around you. You slowly but surely getting ahead, and they want you to know that your ancestors and loved ones in the heavens love you now still as much as they can. Clear out the clutter and know that they are with you, and they want you to know that you are going to find balance and a raise in your money. You are being protected against a powerful friend, and a time of great prosperity is coming to you. Your problems that you're having now are temporary, and you have to learn from the past. Where you have dealings with a man, they say the what you've been asking them is the answer is a definite yes. You will successfully overcome problems with this guy. You're going to find happiness and prospects, and your loved ones say balance friendships. Your friendship works best when there's an equal share of giving and receiving. There's sweet results that await you. Have a lovely day, everybody. I love you all.